What's up guys, it's Eric, and today we're going to be unboxing a Hot Wheels 9-pack. I have it here. We've got Mustang, Corvette, Porsche of some sort, I believe Acura NSX, I believe that's a Ford Focus, Fantasy Casting, some sort of American Muscle right there, and a Lamborghini up there. So I'm gonna unbox this and I'll be right back. Alright, got it out of the box now. And our first car is a Corvette Stingray in purple. Has black tampos and kind of pinkish outline on the rims, blacked out rims, a chrome base, and some tampos there on the hood as well. Overall, a really great looking Corvette. I'm a big fan of any metallic or metal flake paints. You know, I really like those. Purple is a very good color. Next up, 2010 Ford Shelby Mustang. I believe I have this exact model that I got out of the mainline set. Same tampos and everything. Pretty cool. Really, I think the rims are pretty cool on this one. It's got a silver base, black paint, and some racing tampos. Overall, pretty good looking Mustang. Next up, we have a Lamborghini Gallardo. And we've got some tampos out back. Let's see if I can get that to focus. It does not want to focus. There we go. Taillight tampos, Lamborghini logo, and the Lamborghini logo on the front, and the headlight tampos. Of course, it's yellow. And it doesn't want to focus again. All right, there we go. And sort of silver rims here, gray rims, yellow interior with tinted windows. Overall, very cool looking Lamborghini. Next up, we have a fantasy casting, the Quick and Sick in red with silver wheels, a black base, chrome interior, and tinted windows with bluish purple tampos, and the headlights are integrated in the windshield. Then we have what I thought was the Acura NSX, and I was correct. This is a 1990 Acura NSX in a orange copper color with some darker copper tampos on there, sort of brownish tampos, and gold rims, well, blacked out rims with a gold outline. Black interior and tinted windows, and a black base. Next up, we have that Porsche. This is a 911 G2, GT2 in red. Got the headlights made out of the same plastic as the windows, and taillight tampos and badging tampo. Of course, a black base, blacked out rims with a gold trim, and a black racing stripe down the center. Overall, really cool looking Porsche. Up next is a 1970 Dodge Demon in a beautiful blue pearl metallic color. Got the tampos on the side, blacked out wheels with a white outline, chrome base and tannish gold interior with tinted windows. Overall, a really good looking casting. Next up, we have a fantasy casting known as the Futurismo with a silver base with chrome accents, red paint, tinted window, some tampos there, and red cyclone style rims with silver highlights. And last but not least, we have a 2012 Ford Fiesta in a copper gold metallic color with Hot Wheels Racing tampos, a blue plastic base with blue chrome blue rims, and blue transparent windshield with a gray interior, I think. Maybe the seats are blue and the rest is gray. Overall, pretty good looking Ford Fiesta. And that's the 9-car set. Really like this pack. I picked it up because it had a high concentration of real vehicles. You got 7 real steel replicas and 2 fantasy castings. I think my favorite's gonna be the Dodge Demon. Close second would be the Corvette Stingray. Let me know what your favorite is down below. If you liked the video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.